Waking up the next morning of day 2 after a good night's rest, we were hungry for some more action and we were ready to take on the day's challenges. Pretty soon we came across our first challenge, a fallen tree stump, but luckily it would not prove fatal. Unfortunately, our main captain had a little accident. Some places along the line were pretty overgrown, but that never stopped us. Pretty soon we came across another obstacle where we saw that we would have to use teamwork to be able to get around it. I decided to go ahead of the rest of the bunch for a little while, seeing what my new GSA bike would be able to achieve, and this is what it came to. With a decent amount of power and an excellent stock suspension, my new bike was a massive improvement from my old one. I could finally do some crazy stuff that I'd never been able to do. This is exactly how on my previous trip I actually snapped my old bike's subframe. After grabbing another quick lunch at a spur, one of the bike's battery had gone flat. Luckily we had some toe straps and quickly got it going again. My first drop for this trip. I wasn't very happy about it, thinking I was funny spinning my bike in a circle to get around quickly, and I accidentally spun out. Well, so I guess it's a pretty bad idea to stop behind someone. So coming around a corner a bit hot, there was bits and pieces of the road missing, taken away by corrosion, and unluckily I didn't record it, and I also didn't record my fall itself, but I had a pretty nasty fall going about 80-90 km an hour. I hit the first bit of erosion and the bike knocked me over the front end of it, and I accidentally broke my screen and also further damaged that panel that was already a bit damaged. But yeah, luckily it was only a cosmetic damage and I could continue the trip. This is known as the final rocky ascent to the Mariepskop camping spot. A place where I've personally seen some 1200 clutches get burned, drive shafts get snapped. These were some pretty decent sized rocks. Nothing like some other places we've gone, but it was a pretty fun challenge. With day 2 firmly behind us, we arrived at the Mariepskop camping spot, a place where I've been before, and it has one of the most amazing and beautiful swimming spots you will ever see. I'd had a pretty rough day, but the rest of the trip was going to be making up for it. On the second day we did about 260 k's.